Hey folks, this video is about a review of the Duct Compact Vacuum Cleaner. It is designed for quick and efficient cleaning, featuring powerful suction in a compact, cordless design. It's equipped with a turbocharged motor and advanced HEPA filter to tackle dust and allergens effectively. Portable and rechargeable, it excels in reaching tight spaces and can handle a variety of messes, from kitchen spills to car debris. Its suction power is impressive for its size, capable of crushing large items like plastic bottles. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. However, our research uncovered significant drawbacks associated with Duct Compact Vacuum Cleaner, highlighting critical issues that warrant serious consideration. The first concern is their claim of having over 100 million satisfied customers. However, they failed to provide any evidence to substantiate this assertion. Without concrete proof, such a statement raises doubts about its validity and reliability. The second concern revolves around the website's use of aggressive marketing tactics, including limited time offers and a promise of 100% satisfaction guarantees with a full money-back option. While such strategies are common in the industry, they can create a sense of urgency that pressures customers into making hasty decisions. Additionally, the frequent discounts may lead to skepticism about the true value of the products being offered. The third concern is that, while the vacuum claims it can crush a large plastic bottle, it is designed to be compact and lightweight. This means it has a smaller motor and less suction power. While it works well for quick cleanups of crumbs or dust, it may have trouble with larger spills or heavier dirt. Because of these limitations, its claims about performance can be misleading. The fourth concern is that, while the vacuum claims to have a turbocharged motor and powerful suction, it doesn't provide specific suction power details. This lack of information makes it difficult for consumers to assess its performance compared to other vacuums. The fifth concern is the lack of reviews on the website and genuine reviews online. This makes it hard for potential buyers to understand the vacuum's reliability and performance, leaving them uncertain about whether to make a purchase. Now let's come to the final question. Whether should you purchase this product or not? In our opinion, we advise against purchasing this product due to several concerns, such as including unverified claims of customer satisfaction, aggressive marketing tactics that may pressure buyers, misleading performance assertions, vague specifications regarding suction power, and a lack of credible reviews. These factors create uncertainty about the product's reliability and effectiveness, making potential customers hesitant to invest in it. Thanks for watching until the end. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and fun content.